Before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the Multiflex EA for MT5. This is a flexible multi-indicator system that can run single signals or weighted voting with an optional grid recovery mode. So let's break it down carefully and take a look at how it performed when I put it through my personal backtest. As you can see, the EA is free. And if we open this, we'll see on the MQL5 page that the Multiflex is designed as a single automation tool that can adapt to different trading preferences. It offers four classic technical indicators: moving average crossover, RSI oversold slash overbought, the MACD line crossover, and stochastic line crossover that can be used alone or combined through a weighted voting system. In single signal mode, you pick one indicator for clean logic. In multi-signal mode, each enabled indicator casts a weighted score, and a trade is triggered only when the total vote reaches your configurable threshold. There's also a one trade per signal option to limit re-entries. Fixed management comes in two frameworks: fixed take profits and stop loss, or a grid recovery system that can add up to 5 levels with an optional lot multiplier. Trailing stop with an activation threshold is available for both approaches. As for the features, the key features include the single or multi-signal voting architecture, fixed TP/SL or grid recovery modes, fixed lots or percentage risk money management with margin validation, trailing stop, automatic 3 or 5-digit broker detection, and full parameter control for each indicator. Alright, so we have all that here. So we have broker ready with automatic detection of 3 digits and 5 digits price formats. So the recommended time frame is M15 and above, as you can see in the requirements. The minimum deposit guidance is $100 for USD cent accounts and $1,000 for standard accounts. The developer advises starting with single signal mode on higher time frames and treating the grid mode as better suited to ranging conditions. Let's take a look if there are any notable screenshots. All right, so we're going to head on to check out my personal backtest. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I was able to carry out backtests on this EA. So let's head over to MT5 and take a look. So as you can see, I already have the EA installed. I have EA installed. Let's take a quick look at what happened during my backtests. As you can see, I used the recommended XAU USD pair on the M15 time frame for a custom period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. So, for an initial deposit of 10K, the equity curve shows a gradual decline ending slightly negative actually, with a net loss around minus $16. The profit factor is 0.67 and maximum relative drawdown stays very low at about 0.18%. The history quality is only 24%, which limits confidence in the modeling. The near flat to mildly negative results under the tested settings indicates that the particular combination of signals and risk parameters do not produce a positive edge after costs. Classic indicator systems can work in certain regimes and fail in others. The voting layer aims to filter noise, but does not guarantee profitability. The optional grid recovery mode is the main risk differentiator. When disabled, the system remains a conventional single-entry approach with defined stops. When enabled, it introduces position stacking that can increase exposure during adverse moves. The very low drawdown in this particular test suggests the grid may not have been active or was tightly constrained. Let's go back to the website. Honestly, the features that matter most are the choice between single and multi-signal modes, whether grid recovery is enabled, the risk percentage of fixed slots, and careful testing across different market conditions. Flexibility is useful only if the chosen configuration is thoroughly validated. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, indicator-based systems are sensitive to market regime changes. Grid recovery can turn modest losses into larger ones if levels are hit repeatedly. Low history quality reduces reliability of the backtest. In practice, start with single signal mode and fix TP/SL. Keep risks low, disable the grid until you fully understand its behavior, and demo test extensively, as past results never guarantee future performance. So who is the EA for and who should avoid it? This suits traders who want a configurable multi-indicator framework and are comfortable designing and testing their own signal combinations. You should probably avoid this EA if you prefer fully optimized plug-and-play systems, want zero grid exposure, or are new to indicator configuration and risk management. The grid option in particular requires experience and capital buffers. Overall, the Multiflex EA is a flexible multi-indicator expert advisor with single or weighted voting signals and an optional grid recovery mode. The shared backtest showed a mild net loss with very low drawdown under the tested settings. Independent configuration testing and conservative risks are essential. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. If you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.